Have you ever been running around doing a bajillion things and then the next thing you know, it's 6 p.m. and you have not drinking a drop of water? Yeah, same. So today on day 26 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to handle this with one simple thing. In the early afternoon, we're going to make sure that we have been drinking our water. Instead of waiting all the way to the evening to wonder, if we ask ourselves in the early afternoon, we will have time to catch up, hopefully. Some practical things that we can do to remind ourselves to drink our water throughout the day is put a reminder on your phone, download a hydration app. There's some really cute ones that have plants. If you do not drink your water, the plants will wither away, and we definitely don't want that. But in my opinion, the most practical thing that you can do is carry around a water bottle. I use this jumbo one right here and it meets my water needs for the whole entire day. However, I understand that that is not practical, especially if you are outside the home. So just recently, my husband got me this one from the Walmart on rollback for $2. It is amazing. I absolutely love it. All of that to say, just use whatever you have on hand. If a fancy one will motivate you and you have the budget for it, then go for it, but be sure to budget accordingly for it. But I super recommend not getting anything new and just using whatever you have at hand. Once you've made sure that you have caught up on your water, be sure to write it down in your afternoon block on the sheet so that you can make sure you are keeping up with that. Or you can even write in the morning, afternoon, and evening if that helps you. And let's make sure we are keeping up with our habits, which have so far been dressing to shoes, making our bed, a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, kind words to ourselves the whole day, as well as slowing down and being intentional, a 5-minute email decluttering, the daily cleaning missions from the Fly Lady website, a 15-minute declutter. Right now, we just entered zone 3, so you can feel free to work on that. A 15-minute rest. We've also started to start our dinners in the afternoon. We've also been getting our clothes, shining our sinks, getting to bed on time, and just on Thursday, we've added a daily swish and swipe. Don't forget to comment down once you finish today's challenge, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 27 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.